You sell water heater replacements by leading with the customer's pain point instead of the product, showing them the true cost of waiting and giving them a clear, simple choice between 2 or 3 options so they feel in control of the decision. Think of it like this: when someone's water heater breaks, they are not thinking about tanks or heating elements, they are thinking about cold showers and a flooded closet. So instead of jumping straight into specs, ask questions first, like how old the unit is and if they have noticed rust-colored water or strange noises. Here is something most sales folks never mention. Tankless water heaters actually lose efficiency if they are not flushed once a year. So bringing up a maintenance plan during the sale builds trust and creates a repeat customer instead of a one-time sale. Also, try showing them a side-by-side comparison of a tank versus tankless option written on paper right in front of them. People respond to visuals way more than spoken numbers. Always explain the energy savings in real dollars per month, not just percentages, because percentages feel abstract and dollars feel real. Close the conversation by offering a simple next step, like scheduling installation for the same week, since urgency without pressure closes more deals than any sales script ever could. One big mistake is overwhelming the customer with too many technical details early on, so keep your first explanation short and let questions guide how deep you go. Another common issue is failing to mention permits or code requirements up front, which can feel like a hidden fee later and destroy trust, so always bring it up before signing anything. A lot of people also forget to follow up after giving an estimate, and a simple phone call 2 or 3 days later reminding them you are available can turn a maybe into a yes. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JawBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message them back, and offer their estimates.